He paid to fix this laptop 4 times. Then it cost him his dream job. Here is how it happened. Ali loved his old laptop, 3 years of notes, projects, and late nights together. Then one morning it would not turn on. The repair shop brought it back to life for a price. A month later it died again, and this repair cost even more. 3 years together and 2 expensive repairs deep. That is when Ali said the sentence that traps us all: I have come too far to stop. That one sentence was about to cost him far more than a laptop. Repair number 3, then repair number 4. The pile kept growing. By now, Ali had spent more money fixing the old laptop than a brand new one would have cost. Then came the interview. His dream job, online, first thing in the morning. The laptop was freshly repaired and it had always come back before. 10 minutes in, the screen went black. No call back, no second chance. The company simply moved on. All that money gone. The laptop gone. And the job went with them. Now, rewind to repair number 2, because that is exactly where that trap began. Here is the truth Ali could not see. The money he had already spent was gone either way. Spent money gets no vote. The only real question was this: from today onward, what costs less? Another repair or a machine that works? So this time, Ali lets the old one go. The next repair money becomes new laptop money. Interview day, the screen stays bright and Ali gets the job. So why do smart people keep pouring money into things that keep failing? Psychologists have a name for this trap. It is called the sunk cost fallacy. Money you have already spent is gone, whether you continue or you quit. But our minds keep counting it. So we throw good money after bad. And it's not just about money. We do the same with years, with jobs, even with people. So next time you are stuck, do not count what you have already spent. Ask one question instead: would I start this today? If the answer is no, stop. Because I have come too far to stop is exactly how people go even further in the wrong direction. What lesson should we tell next?